Let's be honest. Most people trying to make money online are stuck. They try dropshipping, affiliate marketing, YouTube, freelancing, but things feel slow, confusing, and frustrating. They spend hours watching tutorials, only to end up overwhelmed, unsure what to do next. And the biggest problem? They're competing with people who know how to grab attention fast. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they don't know how to get eyeballs on what they're selling. And right now, attention online is shrinking while competition is growing. But there's something happening right now. Something that's flipping the game. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, they're rewarding short, engaging videos massively. Short videos are getting pushed hard by the algorithm. More than blogs, more than long YouTube videos, more than traditional ads. Why? Because people love fast, entertaining content. And here's the wild part. Until recently, making videos was hard. You needed a camera, editing skills, creativity, confidence to be on screen, and time. But now something new has entered the scene. The crazy thing? AI now creates the videos for you. Short, viral-style videos that look like they cost thousands to produce, but take just seconds. All you need to do is type a few words. No filming, no editing, no prior experience. And here's where things get exciting. This step, traffic, is where most beginners get stuck. They generate videos, but they don't know how to make them viral, or how to turn views into income. And right here, this is where the shortcut exists. So what is it? Virals is a system that helps everyday people create viral short videos using AI tools like Veo, Sora, and more. But more importantly, it shows you how to turn those videos into traffic and income. Not theory, not hype. A proven formula that has already been tested across TikTok, YouTube, Reels, and even freelance platforms. All this focuses on the right type of content, the right format, the right posting strategy, and the right monetization methods. Because viral views mean nothing if they don't convert. And here's something most people don't realize. There are now thousands of businesses paying for 15 to 30-second video ads. Some are paying $500, some $1,000, some even over $2,000 per video. And this takes minutes with AI, not days. People are using these videos for affiliate marketing, freelancing, local businesses, YouTube revenue, personal brands, digital products, and even selling the videos themselves. The demand is huge and growing. If you've been thinking about starting something online but didn't know where to begin, and you want a model that doesn't require ads, expensive tools, or complexity, this is worth checking out. Short videos are exploding. AI is making the process simple, and early adopters are getting the biggest advantage. Success favors those who start early. When you're ready, the link is below. Take a look, explore the system, and decide if this fits your next step.